Hey, Hadley and Philemon, Mr. Wada here, just wrapping up your year with another tech tidbit, the final one of the year. We just wanted to highlight in this video some of the different videos that we made this year that we really enjoyed making or that we think are just really useful. So there's a couple of videos I'd like to highlight. The first one is 3 ways to add wow factor to your presentations. I really think this one's a useful video for you going forward. Every teacher loves a shiny presentation, so check that one out again if you've forgotten some of the tips inside that one. The other one is OneDrive organizational tips. I love making that video, one, because I'm just a really kind of a bit of a neat freak and I like things organized, but summer's coming up and it's a great time to now go into your OneDrive, get rid of the stuff you don't need and organize it in a way that works for you. And the third one, also thinking of summer, is how to use Sora to read books online. And that video I think will be really helpful because we're moving into a summer where you won't maybe have access to a library all the time, but Sora gets you those books for free right to your phone or your device. So those are the 3 videos that I really enjoyed making this year and that I hope will be helpful for you for years to come. I learned so much this year. I learned how to insert French special characters. I learned how to edit videos better, hopefully, still getting better at that. And yeah, and I think the biggest thing I learned is that, gosh darn it, making videos takes a really, really long time. But it has been a lot of fun. I really enjoy it, and I have really enjoyed it. And I look forward to next year because we'll be bringing you more tech tidbit videos then. It's going to change a little bit, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping to maybe work with a few of you students as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments, for your questions, for your feedback, for your helpful advice, and for all of your encouragement. It's been a blast. And I hope you all have a great summer, that you become even more proficient in your technology use, and check out the Falcons Ed Tech Tutorials channel whenever you need a helpful reminder, because the videos will still be there. Thanks guys, have a great summer.
Hey Hadley and Philemon, welcome to your last tech tutorial of the year. Thank you so much for paying attention to us. It's been an honor to be able to make these videos. I wanted to highlight a couple of things that I learned this year and my favorite videos for you. One of the most rewarding things about doing these videos this year has been walking the halls after classes and in between classes and hearing other teachers talk about how they've had amazing discussions with their groups and just how interested they are. And that leads right into some of my favorite videos that we did. I think the 2 top videos were my terms of service agreement videos, where I talked about what are those big long contracts that you just don't read and I just don't read actually say, and why are they important to understand. The amount of students that kind of like took a step back and thought for a little bit of time that maybe these apps are more than they just appear, that's been really rewarding for me. And I think from those 2 videos is when I started to really focus on what is being unsaid about the technology that we're using all year. With that in mind, I want to wish you an awesome summer, and stay tuned next year for some great videos. Like Mr. Wouda said, we're going to be doing some really fun new things. Stay tuned for more information, and we'll see you next year.